Hey lady, how's life been? I can't deny it, now you are gone. This is the first time, can I make it through? Without you now, do the things I used to do. It's getting harder to ease the pain. The feeling changes, love still remains. I don't know how, if I can get this right. Maybe given time, I'll make the most of what I've got. Is this the price we pay with all the victories we share faithfully? We've got a reason to go on. I know it's good to be true, just spend the nights with you. Let me tell you that our love can make it through. Hold on, lady, hold on. We've got to go on now, this feeling so strong. Hold on, lady, hold on. It's a burning desire coming right down the wire. Sweet talking, it's on the line. There's no turning back unless you make up your mind. The expectations after all these years, rising to the moment.